Hi friends, it is Memorial Weekend and we are about to spend the day outside. We're not quite sure where we're going yet, but we're dressed and we're ready to go. I just have to walk this nargle here. Say hi. Say happy Memorial. Is this anyone else's jam?
You know it ain't cool. I don't be cool. Cause I will never be that cruel to you.
Is that your jam, Bubba?
You
You don't know nothing about it. That's before your time. Are you ready to get locked up? Are you ready? We feel so bad. We're spending the day outside, but our little old crustacean here, our nargle, he doesn't like to be outside. You prefer the couch? Do you prefer the couch? Yeah, I'm about that couch life. So he can't go with us because he would just have a miserable time. So even though where we're going is most likely dog friendly, he'd much rather be in the air conditioning house. So that's where his old butt is going to stay. And we set him up with his bed and his water and all that good stuff. So, okay, it's time for us to go.
Yeah, so I'm putting up the net so it'll hold them.
Okay. We drove into South Carolina so that we can get gas, which is really strange, driving into another state to get like cheaper gas. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me when we lived in Vegas and your parents would go to Arizona to get the lotto ticket. Yeah. They would jump state lines because they lived in Las Vegas like we did during our college years, and they would go to Arizona, my husband's parents, Brian's parents, and then they would get whatever monster lotto ticket was playing at the time. And that's what this reminds me of, except we do this often. We live in North Carolina and we'll drive into South Carolina because the gas is cheaper. Does anyone else do that? I think it's so weird. So strange. Mint chocolate chip. Ooh, vanilla orange.
You know what we need to get out of dessert before we eat?
I see all kinds of desserts I want. Look at the stuffed cookies. What did I get last time? Oh, I got a wrap last time, didn't I?
That's so.
And didn't you get fish?
Yeah.
Look at that. Okay, thank you. Look at that barbecue Scottish salmon. Orzo and salmon is what the baby got. And then, we've never had this before. How would you pronounce this? You're the baby. Koya? Koya? Koa? We're not quite sure how to pronounce this. We've never tried it. It tastes like souped up spa water. It tastes like mint, like essential oil mint. I can't even explain it. The jury's still out if I like it though. And then I got a sparkling blueberry, and then some rotisserie chicken salad. Yummy. And then some dirty potato chips, sour cream and onion. He still made $100, yeah. Yeah, he did. Ooh, it's a class. Oh, I just realized that these were, no, they're, night lights, yeah. Those are the cutest night lights ever. And they're priced well. We're going that way?
Spring Street. This place is so big.
It's not that big. I like this.
For what?
Um,
What do you do with that?
It's a jug. I don't know. I like this too. Reproduction piece. This chair's been through a lot. Oh, everyone needs one of these in their house.
What?
This frog. Doesn't he look like Mr. Toad?
Yeah, but why would you need one?
Because you do, babe. And everyone needs a big Texas star, too. Everyone needs one of these in their house. Look at all of this fabric. Mom, if you're watching, this is what I want my pillows made out of. We're going to come back here and shop. I like this one. What other one? This one is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love that fabric. And this one is really nice too. But yeah, they have all kinds of fabric and trims. Oh, look at this fabric. Oh my goodness. Oh, Mom, you messed up. You're gonna make me all kinds of pillows. Babe, there's the most beautiful fabric over here. Come over here. Find me. Look at this one. And look at this. Well, I really like this one. Isn't that neat?
That is. Yeah.
For a pillow in our beachy living room. I love that one too, but this one's a little more gaudy. And they even have trim and stuff here too.
Yeah, what here, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, hold on. I don't know if I can fit through this. Yeah.
The trim, like even rope.
Yep, for the ends of the pillows. Yeah. How neat. I wouldn't have expected this. Diner? Is there? Sure is a diner for when you could you take a break from shopping and eat. It's not that big. I'm a ham anytime I see a mirror.
I thought you swipe at me or something like you were swatting a bug.
No, Freaky Bunny,
Very freaky.
which is why it's on sale. Southern Lady. Is this one as big as the one in Vegas? There's the water. That's where I want to go. Hi, fishy friend.
Hey, look at that catfish.
I eat you with ketchup.
And hot sauce.
Ooh, look at the giant jawbreakers. Ooh, hot sauce.
Like I always like when I wear funny shirts, I
Hey, look, it's the ones we have. The bull snort.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I didn't know we were saying I had all kinds of different ones.
I didn't either. We're back home now as a pit stop so that we can eat dinner before we go back out to the fair and potentially the fireworks. And we came home to feed our nargle. Hi, stinky boy. Okay, it's not a biscuit. He's trying to eat it. And we just stopped by Harris Teeter so that we can get some cheese so that we could have our gringo tacos. We lovingly refer to them as our white people tacos. Doesn't it
gringo
sound...
means.
I know, but doesn't it sound less racist when you say gringo tacos versus white people tacos, which is what we call them? Yep. Sounds less racist. Well, we call them white people tacos. Only because there's like nothing authentic happening here. It's like kind of Tex-Mex style because we're using ground beef, which we don't usually eat. I usually have carne asada tacos, or you like carnitas, and chicken. Ground beef, not so Mexican. But I had extra ground beef. Grass-fed ground beef was on sale at Earth Fair. So I had all this ground beef and I was like, that means white people taco time. So we're about to eat our food. Might have white people tacos, but I've got salsa that I've made. 2 kinds. This is almost gone. Look, we ate all the tomatoes. That's okay. So we're going to say our prayers, eat our grub, and then probably relax for just a little bit before we go to the fair. Yep. And you're crying. Why are you crying?
This is what he does.
Are you being a crybaby? It's not a biscuit. We parked in that field behind us, and I'm not quite sure how we're going to get our car out of here when we're done with the fair festivities and fireworks, but... And I thought I was clever. I was just telling Brian, I was like, we should totally cut out when the fireworks start so that we can get the hell out of here.
Everybody's gonna do that.
But there's no exit at this moment. There's just an entrance, so we'll see.
I don't want to sit down.
That's a pretty exciting ride. You wanna get on that?
No,
You think your tummy can handle it?
no. But I'll watch you get on it and I'll videotape you. This one looks good. It got blown out because there's a little bit of sun still that hasn't set yet, but I think it's cute. We'll take advantage of that negative space that got blown out. Yeah!
Oh, that looks really cute.
It came out cute, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see who else is on Instagram. Purple Lips. Oh, someone liked my post already.
You what?
Someone liked my post already.
On Tumblr?
On Tumblr, yeah.
That's cool.
How pretty.
No, but it's really, like, these are really close. It's awesome.